Installation procedure for the reactor. First, upon receiving the shipment, unpack the wooden crate and check the accessories. After setting the reactor upright, proceed with installing the accessories. Step 1. Install the reflux head. Start by attaching the clamp to the ball mold opening of the reflux head. Step 2. Install the reactor lid and mechanical seal. Insert the mechanical seal into the translation and the reactor lid's stirring port. Tighten the PTFE nut. Pay attention to the rotation direction when installing the solid material ice feed seal cap. Fix the clamp on the bottle flange, then insert the screws and tighten them. Place the PTFE cap on top, followed by the stainless steel pressing plate, and tighten the screws. Step 3. Install the thermometer seal. Proceed to install the thermometer seal by fitting the clamp and tightening the screws to secure the PTFE plug. Step 4. Install the reflux head and stirring paddle. Fit the clamp to the ball mold opening of the reflux head. Insert the stirring paddle into the assembled mechanical seal. Install the assembled reactor lid and stirring paddle into the float body. Note that vacuum grease should be applied on the glass contact surfaces to avoid damage from collision between the float and reactor lid. The stirring paddle should be lifted 1 to 2 centimeters upwards before connecting the reactor lid flange to the reactor body. Tighten the screws, but avoid over-tightening. Step 5. Install the mechanical seal and motor. Install the mechanical seal's dynamic ring. Ensure the motor shaft is concentric with the stirring paddle during motor installation. Once the universal joint is connected, lock the screws and press the dynamic ring of the mechanical seal to ensure an effective seal. Step 6. Install the thermometer and condenser. Tighten the screws on the thermometer sensor and adjust the condenser collection bottle and support ring to the appropriate position. Afterward, tighten the reflux head to the reactor lid with the locking nut. Step 7. Install and clean the condenser. Remove the packaging material from the condenser, clean it, and insert it into the exhaust nozzle. Install the condenser's fixed support and insert the condenser into the reflux head's interface, securing it in place. Link the collection bottle to the support ring and adjust it to the proper position. Step 8. Install the exhaust valve and water wash oil circulation system. Insert the exhaust valve and pressure funnel, then connect the circulating water wash oil system. Attach the flange to the reactor body flange, then add the floating rubber gasket and connect the high-temperature piping. Step 9. Check the external circulation interface. Note that the external circulation interface on the reactor has a lower diameter. Connecting it in the wrong direction may cause the reactor body to rupture. Step 10. Connect the electrical components. Finally, connect the motor power cable, thermometer, and sensor to the variable frequency drive.